Tuesday, August the 15th. And this here is my long yard beans, and they're pretty long. Looks like they're almost ready to harvest. And I just harvest some to make some soup. So hidden in these bean patches, mango tree. So if you can spot that, first of all, let's look at all the beans here. Ooh. There's a lot of beans that are ready for harvest now. This is so long. And they are really good for fried rice too. And here's the mango tree inside. So here you can see pretty much water every day because of the beans. There's about four beanstalk in here. About 4 beanstalk, and I guess watering every day won't hurt, since the beans will absorb all the water. It won't hurt the mango tree. So I'll go around here and see. See, there's a bean coming in now. Ooh, look at that. Look at all the beans. Wow, amazing. It's producing like crazy. About 3-4 beanstalk. There's tons of beans ready for harvest. Anyway, they're so easy to grow. I highly recommend it. All I need is just water. That's it. Nothing much. And then here's the bean. I mean the mango tree. Used to let's see here. See this here. Something got to the trunk, so I had to surgically remove it. Part of the trunk. And then while we're at it, let's also check out the Cherimoya tree next to it. So close up. It's only about a couple feet apart, maybe 3-4 feet apart. And look at the Cherimoya. Let's see. That's my thumb right there. So it's a little bigger. Some of them are a little bigger than my thumb. Let's see. How can I do this? Oh yeah, there's a big one. I spotted a big one right there. So, see this one? I think it has double in size. In the last few days. See? Look how big that is. I think it has doubled in size for in the last 7 days. There's a lot of fruits here on this tree. Amazing abundance of fruits. Amazing, huh? Look at all the fruits. Cross-pollinated with different types of pollen, so I'm not so sure of the variety because they look different on each one of them, the fruits, so I can't really tell what's what. Anyway, I'm gonna go do some more pollinating of the hand pollinating the Cherimoya tree, because on the other tree there's some more flowers that are coming up. So also I go around these trees and remove leaves that are looking like this, so that the tree, you know, can stay healthy. So we're gonna go take a look at the other tree to do the hand pollination.